Question 2.4, another word problem. So Mr. Curtis deposited 2,000 Rand, so I'm underlining that, into a savings account at an interest rate of 4% per annum. So I'm even going to underline that because that's a financial sort of term, annum per year. How much simple interest, and that's sort of the key word in this question, will he earn in 5 years? Okay, so simple interest is basically just a percentage of an amount question, and you just have to work out the percentage of the amount that's invested or saved, and then multiply that by the number of years that you have the investment. So quite simply, what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just work out what is 4% of 2,000 Rand, and that is simply done by going 4 over 100 times 2,000 over 1, because of means times. This cross cancelling is quite straightforward. We can just cancel the zeros, so 2 for 2, and we just basically left with, on the numerator, 4 times 20, that is 80, and the bottom is just 1 times 1, which is 1, so we just leave that as 80. So we're actually earning 80 Rand per annum. But the question was, how much will he earn in 5 years? So all we then need to do is take the 80 and multiply it by 5. So that is just going to be 0, and 8 times 5 is 40. So he'll effectively earn 400 Rand simple interest. And with these questions, you do have to be just aware of the wording in terms of what they're asking you to do, because sometimes they'll actually ask you to not work out the interest. They'll actually ask you to work out how much will his investment be worth, or how much savings will he have, and then you'd have to add that 400 Rand to the initial 2,000 Rand. But in this case, it was just asking how much simple interest, and it's 400 Rand.